Continuing with the chart of Sasso. So now I'm going to mark interesting points on the chart of Sasso. So I'm going to choose to mark the low points that we have on the chart. So I'm going to, let's see, so I'm going to mark so those are low points that I have marked. Remember, this is a monthly chart, so we're looking at a much bigger view. So now I'm going to change it to a weekly chart. So I'm just going to compress it a bit. So now what we have, let me just get rid of the volume. So now what we have is the weekly chart. So we're now looking at weekly candle instead of monthly candles. So here we can see the points that we marked on the chart. They correspond to the times where we had those low points. So now we are looking at the weekly chart. So here you would see this can be considered to be a weekly cycle low. So which means in a period of many weeks you are going to have different types of lows. So here you have got a low point, and here you also have a low point. But if we zoom in, remember the low points that we were looking at are for over the years. So within the trend for years, there is also shorter trends for weeks. So for example, you can see that the chart is in an uptrend, then it corrects for a period of about that's almost like 2 months. So for 2 months the trend has been down, and the price peaked and it started moving downwards, and it corrected about 15%. Then it moves up, it moves down again, then it moves up, it moves down. So if you're looking on a weekly time frame, you'll still be able to see that the price is oscillating up then down, up then down. Then it will reach a peak. So this is like from here, this is 2007, and it runs all the way up to 2008 where it reached a peak. But even within those peaks you have these pullbacks. So you can see those are like 16% pullback, and then you have one huge pullback. So these ones would be called weekly cycle lows, whereby price goes down a bit for a week. Now you can see that this price trend was more on the upside. So if you maybe sell there, you're looking to maybe wait for about 3 months before buying back again. Then it moves down again and it continues like that. So within a week cycle you also have these corrections and upward trend. So you want to be buying on the weekly low trend, then you sell at the weekly high point, then you continue going on like that, managing your investment. So even when price is moving downwards, you would see that there are points when price recovers, then it goes down, it recovers and goes down. Now in an economy that's doing very well, you can see that price tends to move upwards consistently, though it has got times when it corrects. But when an economy is doing not so great, that's when you can see something like the Zuma years. Here you can see prices just going sideways. It's not really moving that much. But still within that frame, you can time the cycles to see which one you're working on, where to buy and where not to buy. So that is how cycles work. We'll continue to look at it in a deeper way and see how best we work with it.